So let's analyze GBPUSD. So I'll be starting from a higher time frame. I'm starting from the monthly time frame. This chart was analyzed already, but I would like to do a complete breakdown, new breakdown when I'm trading. You can see that from here, price reacted. Price gave us a break of structure right about here. Then price gave us a break of structure right about here. We can see that this is a monthly time frame. By the way, I'm not trading the monthly time frame. I just want to make sure that I'm not trading against a higher time frame structure or trend or key level. You can see that price reacted here, and since price reacted there, which is the order block which caused this downward move, price has been ranging. So I'm going to map out my range from the monthly time frame. So price has been ranging. I'll just map out this level. My price has been ranging between that level and also this level, but overall we should be looking to sell this market. But then price has been ranging there, and we're just going to react to price. We don't predict, we just react, we don't predict. So I'm going straight up to the 1 week time frame to see exactly what's going on. Okay, so from the weekly time frame we have exactly the same thing. There's nothing to work on. We can see that from the weekly time frame, price has been bullish since price tapped into this support level here. Price has been bullish, so we're expecting to continue buying this market up to this resistance level, where we can look for potential to sell down to this level or break through. But at the moment we just want to be buying GBPUSD, and then go to the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, we have similar structure from the daily time frame. This is what we have, and we can see that price is still to react. So from the daily time frame, when we look at structure here from April, we see that price let's read structure. We see that price was giving us, I'll just start from here, higher highs and higher lows. Got a lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. You can see that price was giving us lower highs and lower lows, and when price tapped into that level, it break above, and then this, then it's still two, and then price has given us now like a change of character. Price came back to a support level here, sold back to the downside, right? This is where it's sold to the downside. Now price has given us a new break of structure or change of character to the upside. This is from the daily time frame, by the way. So from the daily time frame, I'm going to mark out this level. Price has just broken this level. Price has broken here as my already as a break of structure. And although yes, really from the daily time frame, the other block which caused that break of structure is right here. It's here. So we're going to be highlighting that, right? We're going to be highlighting that. We will not forget about it. This other block, this is it right here. So we'll put our eyes on them. I'll put that in blue, and then we'll go now to 4 hours. 4 hours is actually where I read structure, not the daily. I don't read structure from the daily time frame, by the way. I read structure from the 4 hours time frame, and from the 4 hours time frame, you can see something amazing. You can see that after this consolidation in this level, after this consolidation here, we had a break. It's like a consolidation, then a break, right? It's like a consolidation, then a break, and after that, this is the other block which caused this break of structure. You can see that price reacted from this level massively and gave us this push up. So that's a very high zone, and price has already reacted onto the other block. So we can look to continue buying this market to the upside, right? We can look to continue buying this market, taking profits right here. We can look to buy this market to the upside, taking profit right here. But I like to trade market structure shift on lower time frame, so I'll be going to the 15 minutes time frame to look for my market structure shift. Now I won't go to the 1 hour. I'll go straight to the 15 minutes time frame to see after price tapped into our order block, price is still to give us a market structure shift. Let's look at something again right here. So what price is currently doing, you can see if I were to read structure, I'll be reading this structure like this, right? And then this is the highest point, and then this. So if we are looking for market structure shift price, we need to take this high, and then we look to continue buying to the upside, right? If we're looking for market structure shift price, we need to take up the high. And since I already missed direct aggressive entry on this trade, which would have been on the 4 hours time frame and would have offered a nice risk to reward, let's go back to the 4 hours time frame and see exactly what I'm talking about. We already missed direct entry on this trade, right? We missed direct entry. If we had gone long here, I think we have like a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, 1:2, 1:3, 1:2.89. But I missed that already, so I'll be looking for a market structure shift on the 50 minutes time frame before I enter this market again. So I'll be looking at this chart now from the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm looking, since I missed out my direct entry from the 4 hours, I'll be looking for 50 minutes entry. So I will not do anything here. I'll trade only market structure shift. Although for some people this is enough structure for them to enter this market, and it's valid, right? Price already told us that it's changed direction and is now giving us lower highs and lower lows, right? This is like a flip zone break through, right? if I were to enter this market now on the 15 minutes time frame, this is exactly where I would enter this market. Yeah, I will not enter the market where price is currently at. I think price is going to trap traders. Price is going to be trapping traders, right? So I think this is where I'll be entering this market from 50 minutes time frame. Excuse me. And from 15 minutes I'll be taking my profits right above this swing high up here, and I'll be going long on this trade. So but should price really break and continue going up, I don't have a problem, because issue is a 1:3.8 risk to reward ratio. I put my stop right below this. There's a low here, there's a weak here, so I put my stop right below it to give my stop some kind of breathing space, right? So this will be entering this trade. It's giving me a 1:3. So I have my first position at 1:3.3 risk to reward ratio. So after price tapped into my 4 hours order block, price is now trading up. Has given me like a break of structure here, and as price continues to trade up. But I'll be more confident on this trade, more comfortable and confident on this trade should we have a valid market structure shift here on 50 minutes. So either ways, I'll still be watching this trade, right? Should I have a valid market structure shift here, and I'll be confident to continue riding this market or continue trading this market right up to this 4 hours 4 hours point here. So I'll just be watching the market for the moment. I'll be watching the market, but I'll keep this high open, keep my bias open, keep this high open, but I'll still be looking at this. So if I want to trade, let me tell you how I'm going to be trading this level. If I want to trade this level, yeah, I'm going to use confirmation again. I'm not enter aggressive, although I have every confidence intact. I have liquidity here again. This is equal low liquidity right about here. This is an equal lows liquidity, which price will sweep before tapping into my order block. People are selling or buying from that level. That is equal low liquidity, right? So although we have equal low liquidity right there, and we have all this structure here, I'll still be looking for confirmation entry. The confirmation entry I'll be using is the change in the state of delivery. Change in state of delivery. I'll not be using the market structure shift. I'll be using change in state of delivery as my confirmation entry. Enter this market on the 15-minute time frame, and after this major market structure shift, which I'll be waiting for right here, I'm waiting for the major market structure shift here, and then I'll be buying GBPUSD for some time, maybe the entire week. I'll be buying GBPUSD, taking it up to this 4 hours high right here. So this is my analysis on GBPUSD. You can see price is currently falling down here, and I'll be expecting price to tap into this level before going and sweeping all this liquidity here, tap into my order block, and that is it. If you're actually trading GBPUSD, you should be buying GBPUSD now.